Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of kicking you out on the application of Indeed job search. We click on settings. Here you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. And above here you will search about the application of Indeed job search. And we click here. In this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then here we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.